Hello po, ngayon tuturuan ko kayo kung paano pag-multiply ng monomials. Okay po, ito ang pag-aralan natin ngayon. Pag sinabing monomials, consist of one term. Okay, so lahat ng given, one term po yan. So, monomial to monomial. So, x squared times x cubed. So, ang gagawin nyo lang po, kakopy natin yung x. And then, yung exponent, pag-add po natin. So, 2 plus 3, the answer is 5. So, x raised to 5. Next, number 2, 2x squared times 3x cubed. So, multiply mo natin yung 2 at saka 3. So, 2 times 3. Next, copy natin yung x. Bali, magiging 2 plus 3. Multiply natin. 2 times 3, the answer is 6. Then, x raised to 5. Number 4, 2x squared y times 3x squared z squared cube z squared. 2 times 3, the answer is 2 times 3. Copy natin. Then, x raised to 5 kasi 2 plus 3. Then, copy natin yung y and z squared. So, multiply natin. 2 times 3, the answer is 6. Copy natin yung x raised to 5, y, and then z squared. Next, last number. So, yung last number, pakilagay na lang po ng sagot sa comment section. Okay po. Thank you and good luck.